Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this orb that you see on the screen right now. Something we've been seeing a few months back in the sky. This is for beginners. It's a very simple one to do. Trying to remember that there's people out there that are just getting into this, and I figured this would be a good one for them. I have a video, about 14 seconds on the timeline. I wanted the sky moving a little bit, and we'll go to fusion. I have to use this keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I cannot use my hands and arms. Select the media in, add a merge, then get a polygon. With the polygon selected, want to downsize the window a little bit. I don't have a middle mouse wheel, that's why I use that drop down menu. My controller is a handicap controller. You can make any shape you want. Once you complete your polygon, I recommend to switch this modify only tool. That way you won't mistakenly make points in your polygon. I'm gonna highlight them three, and we have a tool says smooth or linear, which would be flat. You want to make it smooth, and you can grab these handles and move them around. I recommend if you do that, hold the control button down on the keyboard. Once you start doing it, you'll see why. Get a background. Put the playhead at frame 0. Take the length all the way down. Move the position over a little bit. And set the border width to your liking. I put mine at 0.029. You can see it there, but it's black. Select the background. We'll change the color type to gradient. And we'll change the first one to white. As this point right here. And we'll click right there, pick another one. We'll make that one red. And click there again. And we'll make that one blue. You can move them. Go back to the polygon. And you'll see there's a keyframe already there. We're not going to animate the polygon, so we can delete that keyframe. Put the playhead on it. And you'll see it over here. Just click on it. I'm going to make the orb a little bigger. Do that with the border width. Okay, we'll go ahead and animate it. Put the playhead on frame 0. Take the position all the way down. Set a keyframe. Depending on your video, more than likely you're way different than mine. I am on a 30 FPS with about 14 seconds of film here. I'm going to go to about 50. Then go to the position. And we'll move it out so it starts to show. Now I'm going to advance, and this is the amount of time you're going to want it to set there without moving. The farther you go, the longer it'll set. The shorter you are, closer to the first keyframe, the faster it'll move again. Set a keyframe on the position. And advance again. Move the position to where you like it. Advance again. Set a keyframe. And advance again. Advance again. We'll set another keyframe. We'll move that one back a little bit. Sorry about that. And set another keyframe. I want it to leave the screen really fast, like they're saying the UFOs did. So we'll only add a few frames, 3 or 4. and then take the position all the way up to 1. Before we go any farther, we'll make sure it's animating correctly. And we'll give it a play. Okay, now we'll make it glow and pulsate. Select the background. Shift space and soft glow. I already have it typed in. If you go to the glow size, I want to make a pulsate from 0 to the preset at 10. You can set yours to your liking. Put the playhead on frame 0. Hit the glow size all the way down. Set a keyframe. I'm going to advance 20 frames. And then hit that little dot, and it will set another keyframe back to the 10 default setting. Advance 20 more frames. Hit the glow size all the way down again. Then advance 20 more frames. And hit the little dot. Open your spline. If you have more than the one node you selected, hit these 3 little dots and select show only selected tools. That cleans this up, so you only have the one you're working on. So zoom to fit, select all, and then ping pong. And if you scrub this to the right, you'll see we have the same animation through the whole timeline. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.